NIO stock price not likely to make any major movements until the end of the month near earnings. Apple recently falling again from long-term highs at the 190s. Should this slide continue, the slope can approximate these channel lines. The 179 level is still a highly relevant lower boundary. If Apple decisively closes under it in the next 4 weeks, it can accelerate a drop similar to this. The addition of Fibonacci spirals can help in providing an approximation of how bullish reversals can develop following the exhaustion of selling over 179, though before even reaching the upper channel lines and the mid-190s. Note that 187 can still provide moderate resistance towards April. Boeing stock price has also recently fallen from long-term highs, making lots of these old levels and ranges relevant once again. Of particular focus is the potential descending triangle developing, which can likely conclude in the next 2 to 4 weeks. A successful break can look something like this, after which the low 200 range can provide high resistance potential. A steeper drop is more likely the earlier a break happens. On the other hand, if price can trade and eventually begin closing over the descending line approaching March, the triangle of course fails and leads to a bullish reversal, which can naturally encounter more significant resistance approaching the old gap down range in the low 220s to low 230s.